Hi students, welcome to chapter 10 Statistics. Today we are going to learn a new chapter Statistics. What is statistics, children? Yes, statistics is a branch of mathematics dealing with the collection, analysis, interpretation and presentation of numerical data. So this chapter is very simple. Let us start this chapter with the topic tabulation. Have you ever heard this term tabulation? Tabulation is a systematic and logical representation of numerical data in rows and columns. Let us see one example. See this question. There are 40 children in class 8A of the school. In a health club program, their blood groups were identified and listed as below. Here you can see O positive, A positive, O negative, B positive, AB positive, B negative and AB negative groups. See the first question. How many children have O negative blood type? So we have to answer these questions from the given data. So let us answer the first question. See question again. How many children have O negative blood type? To answer this, we need only count the O negative types. Count and find. What we'll get? Yes, correct. Only one is there. And see the second question. How many have B negative? To answer this, we need only count the B negative types. Count B negative blood group. How many are there? Yes, you can see 3 O negative blood groups are there. Third question. How many have O positive? Yes, here you can see more than 10 O positive blood groups. Fourth question. Which blood type do the most number of children have? For this, we have to add each type separately, right? So, if we arrange this in a table, it is more convenient to answer the questions, right? How can we arrange this in a table? First of all, let us draw a table and write each blood group in a column and write number of children in the next column. So, write what are the different blood groups given in the question. O positive, A positive, O negative, B positive, AB positive, B negative and AB negative, right? Then count each blood groups. First let us count O positive. How many O positive blood group children are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then write 14 in the same row of the O positive blood group in the next column like this. Next, count the number of A positive blood group children. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So A positive children are 8. Then write 8 here and count O negative. Here you can see only one is there. Write 1 here. Next count B positive. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then write 7 here. Next is AB positive. Count 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 5 here. Next is B positive. Count B positive. 1, 2, 3. Write 3 here. And the last AB negative. Only 2 are left. Then write 2 here. Now, can we answer all questions easily? Let us try these questions again. Here I arranged all the blood groups in a particular order. Positive blood group arranged on the top and negative blood group arranged on the bottom side. Now see first question. How many children have O negative blood group? Yes, 1. How many have B negative? 3. B negatives are there. How many have O positive? Yes, our answer is 14. Fourth question. Which blood type do the most number of children have? Yes, O positive blood group. Fifth question. Which type do the least number of children have? Yes, O negative blood group. When we arrange these in a table, it is easy to answer all questions above just by looking at the table. The table shows how many times each number occurs. In the table of this kind, the number of occurrences is generally called frequency. And the table itself is called a frequency table. Now let us see another example. See this question. The scores children in a class got in a test are listed below. Sub-questions. What is the score got by the most number of children? Second question. How many children got 8 or more? Third question. How many got less than 8? Fourth question. How many children got 10? Okay. First of all, let us make a frequency table as before. Here, we can use the method of tallies. We seen this tally method in class 5. So here we are going to use one column for tallies. See, 3 columns are there. First column for score, second for tally marks, and third for the frequency. Here frequency is number of children. Then find the highest and lowest score from the given data. Yes, here you can see highest score is 10 and lowest score is 2. Then write the numbers from 2 to 10 in the first column. We must note how many times each score occurs. Check how many times score 2 is repeated. Yes, only one time. So give one tally mark here and write 1 in the next column. Then check how many times score 3 is repeated. Yes, give tally marks 1, 2, only 2. Then write 2 here. Then count 4 and give tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this, give 4 tally marks and give 5th tally mark across the 4 tally marks. So it can easily see group of 5. Then write 5 here. Then count how many times score 5 is repeated. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then write 4 here. Next is count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then write 6 here. Next is 4. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then write 11 here. Next is count how many times score 8 is repeated. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then write 10 here. Next is 9. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 here. Next is score 10. Count 1, 2. Write 2 here. Then count the total we get. Total number of children are 45. This is also the same table we made before. Now it is easy to answer all the questions above. See the first question. What is the score got by the most number of children? Here the most number of children is 11. So its score is 7. So answer is 7. Second question. How many children got 8 or more? Let us count from the number of children who got the score 8, which is 10. Score 9 got to 4 children and score 10 got to 2 children. Then count all. We get 10 plus 4 plus 2 equal to 16. Third question. How many got less than 8? So count from 11 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 29. So fourth question, how many children got 10? So our answer is 2. So when we make frequency table like this, it is more easy to answer all questions, right? Next, let us do questions from page number 184. See, first question. The number of members in 50 households of a family are listed below. Questions. Make a frequency table and answer these questions. First question. How many households have just 2 members? Second question. How many households have 4 or less? Third question. How many households have 10 or more? Fourth question. How many household of what size occur the most? Here households means as family. So first of all, let us make a frequency table as before. First column for number of members in a family, second for the tally marks, and third for number of household or number of family. That is the frequency. Then let us find the highest and lowest number of members. Here highest number of member is 13 and lowest number of member is 2. Then write the numbers from 2 to 13 in the first column. Next, let us check the number of household belongs to these members. First, find the number of household have 2 members. Yes, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, draw each tally marks and write 5 here. Next, find the number of household have 3 members. The same way we get 11 household. Then write 11 here. Next, household have 4 members. We get 9. Then write 9 here. Next, number of household have 5 members, which is equal to 6. Then write 6 here. Number of household have 6 members. Again we get 6. Then write 6 here. Number of household have 7 members is equal to 5. Then write 5 here. Number of household have 8 members. That is 3. Write 3 here. Number of household have 9 members, which is again 3. Write 3 here. Number of household have 10 members is only 1. Then write 1 here. Next is number of household have 11 members, which is nothing. So put 0. And number of household have 12 members, also nothing. Put 0 here. Then last number of household have 13 members, that is 1. Write 1 here. And find the total number of household and write here total is 50. Now let us answer the questions given. First question is, how many household have just 2 members? Yes, our answer is 5. Second question, how many household have 4 or less? For this, we have to add household have 4 members, 3 members and 2 members. We get 5 plus 11 plus 9, which is equal to 25. Third question, how many household have 10 or more? Yes, you can see only 2. For this, we have to take the frequencies from 10 11, 12 and 13 members family. We get the answer 2. Fourth question, household of what size occurs the most? Yes, our answer is 3. Second question, there are 44 children in class 8B. The list shows how far they come from in kilometers. See the questions. Make a frequency table and answer these questions. First question, how many children are from exactly 1 kilometers away? Second question, how many are from more than 5 kilometers? Third question, how many are from between 5 and 10 kilometers? Fourth question, how many are from more than 10 kilometers? Okay, let's start. First of all, make a frequency table. Here first column for kilometers, second for tally marks and third column for frequency, that is number of children. Then let's find the shortest and longest distance in the given kilometers. Yes, longest distance is 14 and shortest distance is 1 kilometer. Then write numbers 1 to 14 in the first column. Then draw the tally marks and write the frequency. Hope you can able to do this. Then find the total at the end. Here total is 44. Then let's answer the questions. First question is, how many children are from exactly 1 kilometer away? Yes, answer is 3. Second question, how many are from more than 5 kilometers? Here we have to count the number of children from 6 kilometers onwards till 14. We get 6 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1. Total we get 21. See the third question. How many are from between 5 and 10 kilometers? So count number of children from 5 kilometers to 10 kilometers. We get 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 0. Total we get 23. Fourth question, how many are from more than 10 kilometers? Count number of children after 10 kilometers. We get 4 children. See third question. The scores of 35 children in a test are given below. Questions. Make a frequency table and answer this question. Question number 1. How many children scored 20? How many children got score between 10 to 20? Third question. How many score less than 10? Fourth question. What is the score most number of children got? Ready? First make the frequency table. Here the first column for score, second column for tally marks, third column for the frequency. Then find the highest and lowest score. Here highest score is 20 and lowest score is 10. Then write the numbers from 10 to 20 in the first column. Then give tally marks and frequency like this. Hope you can able to do this. Then find the total. We know it is 35. Then answer the given questions. First question, how many children scored 20? Yes, answer is 1. Second question, how many children got score between 10 to 20? Here we have to exclude 10 and 20. We get the total 32. Third question, how many scored less than 10? Yes, of course, answer is 0. And the fourth question, what is the score most number of children got? Here the highest frequency is 6. So the score in the same row is 15. So the answer is 15. Hope these are clear to you. See you in the next class. Until then, bye.